Hey, welcome back everyone. My name is Adrian and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to be using this very fresh zucchini from my garden to make a very quick and easy zucchini pasta dish. So follow me and let's get started. Right, let's go through some ingredients. I used low-fat creme fraiche, Parmesan cheese, 3 cloves of garlic, pancetta, and for this I used fresh tagliatelle with the garden zucchini, parsley, and I thought I'll use steak today as well. Alright, let's go. Let's start off by prepping the ingredients. Finally grate the zucchini. Just to let you know, you can also use the green zucchini as well. Finally, chop up your garlic. And the same with the parsley. Add some olive oil to your pan and get it started at a medium heat. Start off by cooking your pancetta and garlic. Then add in the zucchini. So we're basically cooking the zucchini to remove the moisture. So you notice at first it looks like there's a lot of zucchini, but over time you'll notice that it would reduce to a smaller portion. Okay, then add in your creme fraiche, give it a good stir, mix it all up. Then add in some Parmesan cheese. Make sure this is all mixed up well, and once it's ready, put in your cooked pasta and get it ready to be served. There you go, nice easy zucchini pasta recipe, served with some steak and just to finish with a bit of parsley on top. Alright, so that's it, a very quick and easy recipe, right? Zucchini, pasta, parmesan, pancetta. You can use bacon if you want, but I prefer pancetta because it adds to the flavor of the dish as well. I preferred using steak, but if you want you can use salmon. It's a nice, good season for this kind of pasta because it's quite fresh, very refreshing because it's quite warm as well, and it's got a nice flavor to it. So anyways, What do you think? If you give the recipe a try, please let me know as well. I'd like to know how you get along as well. Anyways, that comes to the end of this week's video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe and like the video if you're enjoying my content. Alright, take it easy. Love you lots. Take care.